Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Pristine Blue MetalShield Stain Remover. The Pristine Blue MetalShield product is a liquid formula that is regularly used to prevent and fight against metal staining and scaling in pools. This stain fighter is effective on all types of metals including copper, iron, magnesium, and calcium. MetalShield is compatible with all types of standard pool systems, including chlorine, bromine, and salt. This stain and scale remover is also compatible with all types of pool surfaces. Product benefits: easy to use liquid formula, safe for all standard systems and surfaces, prevents and removes metal stains and scaling. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.